Good morning class 1. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and healthy. So class 1, please take out your computer book and come on page number 48. Okay. So in our last class we already discussed about the paint tools. Okay, like brushes tool, eraser tool, pencil tool, fill with color tool. Okay. So once again let me revise. Okay. So what is pencil tool? Pencil tool means you can draw freehand lines, okay, according to your choice and your drawing. Clear? This is the part of tools group. Clear? Now after that, fill with color. Now what is the use of fill with color tool? You can color in a closed figure. Okay, आप उसमें color कर सकते हो. ठीक है. Now number 3 is brushes tool. So there are 9 type of brushes. Count करें 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So you can pick a brush according to your drawing purpose and you can draw according to your choice. ठीक है. Now the next is eraser tool. Now what is eraser tool? Eraser tool is used to erase or remove what we have to made. Okay, suppose you don't like to draw the particular picture you recently draw, so you with the help of eraser you can erase it. Clear? For example like this, जैसे फ्लावर अच्छा नहीं लगा तो उसको erase कर दिया. Clear? Now ये वाला हमने लास्ट क्लास में किया था. ओके, टुडे वी विल डिस्कस ड्राइंग अ सीनरी इन पेंट. Okay, so come on page number 48 and write down the date and day. Today is Thursday and date is 3rd of February. Clear? Now drawing a scenery in paint. Now how can you draw a beautiful scenery like this, her tree in MS Paint? Okay, so let me explain. Okay, so these are some steps. Step number 1 is select brushes tool and its type from the tools group. क्या सेलेक्ट करना है आपको? ब्रशेस सेलेक्ट करना है कि आप किससे ड्रॉ करोगे. ओके, अगेन अकॉर्डिंग टू योर चॉइस. सपोज आपको थिक लेना है, थोड़ा मोटा वाला लेना है, सो यू कैन चूज दैट. नाउ सेलेक्ट अ कलर फ्रॉम कलर्स ग्रुप. अब आपको किस कलर में ड्राइंग करनी है? ब्लैक में करनी है, ब्राउन में करनी है, पिंक में करनी है, सो यू कैन चूज दैट कलर. नाउ सेलेक्ट अ साइज फॉर द ब्रश फ्रॉम द साइज ग्रुप. नाउ यू कैन ऑल्सो एडजस्ट द साइज, ठीक है, ऑफ योर ब्रश. ये मैं अभी आपको करके बताऊंगी. नाउ keep the left mouse button pressed and draw outline of the pictures of the drawing area. अब आप लेफ्ट माउस बटन को प्रेस करके रखेंगे और हम ड्राइंग करना स्टार्ट करेंगे. क्लियर? नाउ क्लिक ऑन द फिल विथ कलर टूल एंड सेलेक्ट अ कलर फ्रॉम कलर ग्रुप. अब आपको जो भी कलर लेना है यू कैन चूज दैट कलर एंड यू कैन कलर इट. ओके, नाउ क्लिक ऑन द पार्ट ऑफ द पिक्चर यू वांट टू कलर एंड मेक श्योर देयर इज नो गैप इन द आउटलाइन. क्या मतलब हुआ इस लाइन का? मेक श्योर देयर इज नो गैप इन द आउटलाइन. सपोज इफ देयर इज अ गैप, अगर यहाँ पे गैप होगा ना, सो व्हेन यू कलर इट द होल एरिया सेम कलर सब जगह हो जाएगा बिकॉज देर इज अ गैप. सो प्लीज बी श्योर देर इज नो गैप. जो भी आप आउटलाइन करोगे ना वो पूरा क्लोज्ड फिगर होना चाहिए. ओके, सो यू कैन चूज डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ कलर अकॉर्डिंग टू योर चॉइस. नाउ चूज डिफरेंट कलर्स एंड कंप्लीट योर पिक्चर. वेरी इजी. ओके, सपोज अगर ये क्लोज नहीं होगा ना यहाँ से, तो यहाँ ये वाला कलर सब जगह हो जाएगा. सो इट इज कंपल्सरी. प्लीज वंस अगेन checked that there is no gap in the outline. Clear? Now turn your page and come on page number 50. Now come on page number 50. So make sure that never pull out wires from the computer. Okay, so please never do like this. Okay, ऐसे नहीं करना चाहिए. Clear? So now class 1 you have to practice to make the given image in paint and color it. आप try करेंगे with the help of shapes. You can just choose oval shape and draw this teddy bear in your MS Paint. Okay, now come on page number 50. We have to do book exercise part. But before we start the exercise time, let's again watch a short video about all this drawing scenery in paint. Okay?
Drawing a scenery in paint. Follow these steps to draw a scenery in paint using various tools. 1. Select brushes tool and its type from the tools group. 2. Select a color from colors group. 3. Select a size for the brush from the size group. 4. Keep the left mouse button pressed and draw outline of the picture on the drawing area. 5. Click on the fill with color tool and select a color from colors group. 6. Click on the part of the picture you want to color. Make sure there is no gap in the outline. 7. Choose different colors and complete your picture.
Now Class 1, I hope it is clear. Now, what is the meaning of erase? Erase yani remove. Now, what is the meaning of ribbon? Ribbon means contains tabs with groups of commands. Okay. Now, exercise time. So, the first question is label the main parts of the paint window. Write the correct number. Okay. अभी आपको ये जो देखो name है. Okay. You have to place it the label with the correct order and the correct place. Okay. So, this is first bar, title bar. This is quick access toolbar. This tab is file tab. This area is called as ribbon, and this is your drawing area where we can draw the picture. Okay, now B is name the following. So the first is it show the name of the picture. कौन शो करता है name of the picture? Yes, this area. So the answer is title bar. Now number 2 is it contains homes and view tab. Which tab contains home and view? Home and view. Which tab contain home and view? This area is called as ribbon area. Okay. Now number 3 is this is the area where we draw pictures. So the correct answer is drawing area. Now number 4 is this group is used to pick colors. Colors group. Okay. This area. Basically this is a tab. So particularly this called is colors group called because it contains tabs and groups. Okay. Clear? Now this part is homes and view tabs. So homes and view tab पे जब हम click करते हैं तब we can find all the tools and shapes. So this area comes in which tab? Tell me. Yes, ribbon. Okay. Now C is tip write the correct option. So the first is dash has all the tools and colors of paint. Ribbon. किसमें होते हैं? Ribbon वाले area में. Okay. Number 2 is we use dash tool to draw freehand lines. Freehand lines यानी आप जैसे चाहो वैसे मूव कर सकते हो. So the correct answer is pencil tool. Number 3 is there are dash types of brushes. The correct answer is 9. Okay, 9 होते हैं. Now turn your page. Now come on page number 52. Now on page number 52 you have to match the columns. Okay, so this is called fill with color tool. Okay, so number 1 you can put number also and you can match also. आप जो करना चाहो वो कर सकते हो. Okay, number 2 is this is eraser tool. Number 3 is pencil tool and the number 4 is brushes tool. Very easy. Now apply your knowledge. So what will happen if there is a gap in the outline of the figure you are trying to color? क्या होगा अगर आप कोई ड्राइंग कर रहे हो और उसमें गैप रह जाएगा तो क्या होगा? द आउटलाइन विल गेट कलर्ड? नो. द फिगर विल डिसअपियर? क्या वो पूरी ड्राइंग ही हट जाएगी? नो. द कलर विल फिल इन द ड्राइंग एरिया कम्प्लीटली. सब जगह कलर हो जाएगा. येस, दैट इज करेक्ट. सो टिक ऑन दैट पार्ट. ओके. नाउ ट्राई टू मेक द सन एंड द फिश. ओके, इन MS Paint. Now class 1 page number 53 is your homework. Okay, so you have to do A part and B part. A part and circle the right tool. आप इसको read करेंगे और जो right है वो करेंगे. For example, I am used to draw freehand lines, so pencil tool. I am used to fill colors, fill with color tool. I am used to correct mistakes in the picture, eraser. Okay, now word search puzzle. Find the names of the parts of paint window in the word grid. Okay, आपको find करने हैं. मैम ने कुछ find किए हैं जैसे title bar, ribbon, file tab, quick access toolbar. Okay, तो आपको जितने मिलेंगे आप उतना करेंगे. Okay, clear? This part is optional. Suppose if you have system at your home, so then you can try to draw sun, moon and stars in MS Paint with the help of shapes. Okay, class 1. Now one more important thing, class 1. I think with this PDF I also share the questionnaires of chapter number 7. मैं आपको इसकी questionnaires भी share करूँगी chapter number 7 की. So you can download that questionnaires and please learn it for your oral exam. Okay, so thank you so much class 1. Take care. Bye bye.